Hi everyone. Okay, so create outside the box. There we go. And it is from Buttons, Galore, and more. And this is our monthly kit, so I'm excited. Let's see what we get. So this is $26.12. Oh wait, did the price go up? Wasn't it $23, you guys? Huh. $26. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I could have sworn it was $23, so I might have to really think about it, because $26 is a lot of money. So we'll see. Cozy Brads, you got that for free. And let's see, then we have for use with flatbacks. Okay, so then we have this one, box exclusive, flatbacks. So this is a box, so this is what you get. And we have backyard barbecue. So you get a corn, a picnic basket, oh, hot dogs, tongs. How cute! Love that. Bazooples collection. You get little flip-flops. Box exclusive, and this is sprinkles, sequins, sprinklets, embellishments, and summer shades. So you do get a lot. You do get a lot, but I don't know, $26 is just weird. These are the flatbacks, so you put the little glue on the back. I love this. So you didn't get the bottles this time around. You know how we get the buttons and all that stuff. Instead, they put it into this little kit like this, the sequins and all that stuff. Which honestly is a little harder to use, because you get all the sequins that go into this pile, and then you have to peel them out and stuff. So not a fan of this way, but it is pretty though. Package wise, it's very pretty. And these go with the stickers that were there, the flatback stickers. These are adhesive, so you put it on the back, and that's how you do that. So anyway, so that is it for that. So alright guys, what do you think? 26 a lot? Is it good value? I think it's a good value. But it just, I don't know. On top of all the other subscriptions I have, I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, take care. Bye.